Hi, I'm Steve Ferroli, and I hope you are enjoying our presentation of Saving Youth Baseball. I encourage you to like our Facebook page, Ted Williams Baseball League, as all presentation clips will be posted there when completed. Also, they'll be listed in chronological order on our website at the address below. In our last clip, we identified the baseball parent as the most pivotal person, or the most pivotal role in saving youth baseball. The reason we feel that way is because at the end of the day, the baseball parent is in control or responsible for the people who comprise youth baseball, being the players. Therefore, we feel that it is most important to try to educate the baseball parent first. So let the education begin. But before we start, I want to say this. From all my experience in regard to the changes that I am suggesting, there is no question in my mind that the baseball mother will be more effective than the baseball dad. More on this later. The origin of the Ted Williams League can be traced back to the 80s when I looked up and said, boy, that plate is too big. Whether it be 1980 or 2020, when a youth league player is batting on an oversized plate, the result is the same. Boring, dangerous, and non-progressive. Now, why would I say this? What has led me to this conclusion? The problem with a young boy playing with a man-sized home plate is easiest to see or comprehend when we view the large home plate from the pitcher's point of view. The pitcher pitching to a man-sized home plate is pitching to a strike zone or target that's bigger than the youth league hitter can defend with his smaller arms and bat. Let me say that again. The pitcher pitching to a man-sized home plate is pitching to a strike zone or target that is bigger than the young hitter can defend with smaller arms and a smaller bat. Now, we really should be able to just stop this right here. End of discussion. If the youth league batter cannot defend the youth league home plate correctly, his game is unjust, unfair, incorrect, and therefore in violation to the baseball rule book. All rule books, hockey, football, basketball, baseball, they're all designed for fairness. That is to say that the continuous pitting of the hitter against the pitcher, the very heart of this game, is not scaled down in such a way to be what it is meant to be in the game of baseball. Remember, youth baseball was scaled down from adult baseball. I hope you have enjoyed this segment of Saving Youth Baseball. Please remember to like our Facebook page, Ted Williams Baseball League. Also, if you're eager to get involved in our plan to strengthen this level of play, please use the contact information below. I'm Steve Ferroli. Get a good pitch to hit.